In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Windows Update error 0x80070002. This error usually pops up when Windows Update is trying to install something but runs into missing or corrupted system files. The good news is you can often resolve it with a quick system scan and a fresh attempt at the update. I'll walk you through it clearly and carefully so you can follow along without stress. First, we need to open an elevated terminal so the repair tool has permission to fix protected files. Press the Windows key and X together to open the Power User menu, then choose Terminal, Admin. If you see a security prompt, that's expected. Just confirm to continue. Whether your terminal shows PowerShell or command prompt doesn't matter for this process, the command will run works in either. Inside the terminal window, type exactly sfc scano and press Enter. This launches the System File Checker. What it does is scan the core Windows files and replace any that are missing, corrupted, or altered. That's important because update error 0x80070002 can be triggered when Windows Update expects certain files to be present and intact, and they aren't. Now, let the scan run to completion. You'll see progress as a percentage, and it may pause occasionally. Don't worry, that's normal. Depending on your hardware and how many files need verification, this can take several minutes. While it runs, avoid closing the terminal or putting your PC to sleep. If the tool reports that it found issues and repaired them, that's exactly what we want. If it says it didn't find integrity violations, that still helps by confirming your system files are in good shape. Once the scan finishes, we'll try the update again. Press Windows and I together to open the Settings app. Navigate to Windows Update. This is your hub for pending downloads, installation status, and any available patches. Click Check for updates to trigger a fresh scan. Because we just repaired any underlying file problems, Windows Update now has a clean foundation to work from, which often clears error 0x80070002. Give it a moment to search. If updates begin downloading, let them complete. If nothing appears right away, that can also be normal as the service syncs. Just keep the window open for a minute to see if anything changes. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your device has enough free storage so the update can proceed smoothly. That's it. By running System File Checker and then rechecking for updates, you've addressed one of the most common causes of this Windows Update error. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track.